Hey YouTube, well go on, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we're going to change our cabin air filter. This is the one I have. We have some beads in it. See if I can get it out. Wow. Alright, so you have some beads in it guys. I don't know if this will make any difference, but I'm going to find the airflow and we're going to install it like this. It's supposed to help a lot because if you have these like a Honda Passport or whatever you have, you can still smell the stuff from outside the car, even if you have it on circulation. So I'm gonna put this air filter in and see if it helps. So guys, this is the filter. The quality of the filter, it fit really good. There's some balls in the filter and there's foam around the edge, so it's sealed properly. If you own one of these Honda vehicle, you know that when something in front of you or you drive through where like there's a smell, you still get smell in the car even when it's on recirculation. Right here, even when you turn that on, you still get a smell. The way it's gonna go in, the airflow gonna go through this side and the airflow exit from this side. So we gotta look which way the airflow is and install it like either this way or that way. But let's get into the installation and we can get more on that later. So we'll open this right here, take out everything that we have right here. So also guys, this fit your Honda and Acura vehicle, your Honda Civic, your Passport, whichever one you have. Let's pull this right over here. All right, get that out. Up here, I want to squeeze that on that side, squeeze this on this side. We're gonna have it hang down like that. We don't really need much of that. We're gonna go ahead, squeeze this on both sides and take it out. Let me use both of my hands. All right, so we can see our airflow pointing down. This is my old filter right here. You can see how dirty it is. It's ready to change. Go ahead, pull this out. So that's good so far. Let's see how this fit. To be honest, it seems like it's sealed really tight. So the airflow is this way. You're gonna enter through this side and you're gonna exit from this side. So let's go. One thing, to be honest, I don't really like this because, but as long as the mesh don't break, there's a mesh over that holding the ball. As long as that don't break, that's good. But that's the only thing I don't really like. I think it would be better at this, but it would probably suffer from airflow if you have it like this. So it's best to have it like this, and it's sealed really tight around the edges, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. It fit like a gloves. Oh, one thing I always do, I always get some air freshener and spray that before I even put it in. So I'm gonna take it back out. So guys, just a little something, you know what I mean, just so you can smell the sweet. Go ahead, put that in. Also guys, what I'm thinking about is airflow, but there's no much difference from the airflow, which you won't see on camera, but the airflow feels good. That's on 1 and I can feel a lot of air coming out. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. You probably hear it in the camera. Turn it down. So yeah, airflow is good. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this over back. Just want to hold this string, take your time, pull it out, and then hook it back over there. So once you finish, you just go ahead, put it back. I already test the airflows, feel good. It don't feel like it's restricted or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and put back our documents and our key for our log. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.